After a brief pause that left many uncertain about its future, Toyota's legendary Land Cruiser made its return last year with an updated design. The new model is powered by a hybrid system that includes a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine paired with dual electric motors, delivering 326 horsepower. Built on the same platform as the Lexus GX, the Land Cruiser is now slightly smaller and configured as a two-row SUV, positioning it to compete with off-road icons like the Ford Bronco and Jeep Wrangler. Its design blends modern features, such as Toyota's advanced infotainment system and driver assistance technologies, with classic elements like round headlights on the base model. Toyota also revealed the 2025 4Runner, a smaller alternative to the Land Cruiser, while the Sequoia remains the largest SUV in Toyota's lineup. The Land Cruiser's hybrid powertrain, similar to the one in the Tacoma, is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a full-time four-wheel drive system, which includes a locking center differential, low-range gearing, crawl control, and hill descent control. In testing, the hybrid system delivered strong torque, though the electric motor boost sometimes felt inconsistent, likely due to the smaller battery. The Land Cruiser's ride was quieter and smoother compared to competitors like the Bronco and Wrangler. It also boasts a 6,000-pound towing capacity, surpassing the Bronco's 3,500 pounds and the Wrangler's base 2,000 pounds, though some Wrangler trims can tow more. Fuel efficiency has improved, with EPA ratings of 23 miles per gallon combined, 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway, significantly better than the previous V8 model. In real-world highway testing at 75 miles per hour, the first edition achieved 21 miles per gallon. With its updated two-row, five-seat layout, the Land Cruiser enters the mid-size SUV market, directly competing with models like the Bronco and Wrangler, rather than larger SUVs like the Chevrolet Tahoe. The base 1958 trim includes features like heated seats, a heated steering wheel, and a 6-speaker audio system. Higher trims add ventilated seats, a 10-speaker system, and optional leather upholstery. In cargo tests, the Land Cruiser accommodated 17 carry-on bags behind the rear seats and 31 with the seats folded. All trims are equipped with Toyota's intuitive infotainment system, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The base model comes with an 8.0-inch display, while higher trims feature a 12.3-inch screen. Additional features, such as USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, a 14-speaker JBL sound system, and onboard Wi-Fi, are also available. The Land Cruiser includes Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, which offers a suite of advanced driver aids, including lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and emergency braking. Crash test ratings are available on the NHTSA and IIHS websites. Toyota also offers 2 years of complimentary scheduled maintenance, a rare benefit in this segment, along with competitive hybrid and standard warranty coverage. After a brief hiatus that left many wondering about its future, Toyota's iconic Land Cruiser made its highly anticipated return last year with a refreshed design. This new iteration of the Land Cruiser now features a hybrid powertrain that includes a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine paired with dual electric motors, generating a combined 326 horsepower. The Land Cruiser is built on the same platform as the Lexus GX, but it is slightly smaller than its predecessors and is configured as a two-row, five-seat SUV. This positions it to directly compete with off-road stalwarts like the Ford Bronco and Jeep Wrangler. The design blends modern features, such as Toyota's updated infotainment system and an array of advanced driver assistance technologies, while maintaining some classic elements, like round headlights on the base model, which help preserve the vehicle's iconic look. In addition to the Land Cruiser, Toyota also introduced the 2025 4Runner, which is a smaller SUV in the brand's lineup, while the Sequoia remains the company's largest SUV offering. The Land Cruiser's hybrid powertrain is similar to the one found in the Toyota Tacoma, combining an 8-speed automatic transmission with a full-time four-wheel drive system. This setup includes a locking center differential, low-range gearing, crawl control, and hill descent control, ensuring that the Land Cruiser is ready for both on-road and off-road adventures. Testing of the hybrid powertrain revealed strong torque, but the electric motor boost occasionally felt inconsistent, likely due to the smaller battery. In terms of comfort, the Land Cruiser offered a quieter and smoother ride compared to direct competitors like the Bronco and Wrangler. It also boasts an impressive 6,000-pound towing capacity, significantly outmatching the Bronco's 3,500-pound towing capacity and the Wrangler's base 2,000-pound capacity, though some higher trims of the Wrangler can tow more. Fuel efficiency has notably improved, with the Land Cruiser achieving EPA ratings of 23 miles per gallon combined, 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway, considerably better than the old V8 model. In real-world highway testing, the first edition of the Land Cruiser achieved 21 miles per gallon at a steady 75 miles per hour. The updated Land Cruiser now fits within the mid-size SUV segment, featuring a two-row, five-seat layout that directly competes with models like the Bronco and Wrangler, rather than larger SUVs such as the Chevrolet Tahoe. The base 1958 trim comes equipped with essential features like heated seats, a heated steering wheel, and a 6-speaker audio system. Higher trims add more luxury features such as ventilated seats, a 10-speaker audio system, and optional leather upholstery. In terms of cargo space, the Land Cruiser excels, fitting 17 carry-on bags behind the rear seats and 31 with the seats folded flat. All trim levels come equipped with Toyota's intuitive infotainment system, which includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The base 1958 model features an 8.0-inch touchscreen display, while higher trims upgrade to a 12.3-inch screen. Additional tech features include USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, a 14-speaker JBL sound system, and onboard Wi-Fi. In terms of safety, the Land Cruiser comes standard with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite of advanced driver assistance systems. These include lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, automatic